Hello and welcome back to another episode of OzEats. On tonight's menu, we have vegan chicken pot pie. This is a really special one, so you guys aren't gonna wanna miss this. And we're gonna take you along for the cooking process, so let's get into it. Step one, start the potatoes, get them boiling. So we're gonna use one of these pie crusts as our base, and we'll cover the rest with the other one. We added in our roux with some soy milk and nutritional yeast, and then we seasoned it with some black pepper, some oregano, garlic salt, poultry seasoning, and better than bouillon. Season them lightly until you get it to the flavor that you prefer. We're ready to add it into our pie crust. We had two bottom pie crusts, so we're just kind of makeshift creating a top. Alright guys, I know I say it all the time, but this truly is another one of my favorites. So let's give it a shot, see how we did. Cheers. Oh yeah, that is delicious. Thanks for tuning in to another episode, guys. We appreciate you guys watching our videos. Take care, and we will see you in the next one.